Let's pretend for a moment that you're sitting at your computer and you're scanning job postings. And all of a sudden you come across a job posting that is perfect for you. You fit all the requirements. It meets all of your expectations. And you're looking at that job posting and you're thinking, you know what, this is the perfect job for me. But then you start thinking, well, this may also be the perfect job for hundreds, if not thousands of other people who are also looking at the same job posting. So how do you stand out? Well, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to write the perfect cover letter. What I call a cover letter that hiring managers can't resist. I'll show you how to write that cover letter right after this break. Welcome back to Over 50 TV. My name is Lou Reyes. As I said before the break, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to write a cover letter that hiring managers can't resist. Before I do that, though, I just want to mention that this video is sponsored by CareerFitter. CareerFitter produces a career aptitude test that I think is one of the very best. If you follow my channel, you know I believe in these tools because they can help you to better find a career that fits your skills, your personality, and your interest. Now, there's a free version of the CareerFitter Career Aptitude Test in the description box. They do have a paid version. If you want to dive deep, a lot deeper into your career, well, you might want to consider the paid version. But for now, there is a link to that free version in the description box. So now let's get on to our video. Let me show you how to write a cover letter that hiring managers can't resist. What I'm going to do is I am going to show you an actual cover letter that I wrote for a client. It was a person who was in the food industry, and she hadn't been working for a while. She wasn't sure why her resume and her cover letter weren't getting her in the door for an interview, and she reached out to me, asked me for some help, and I was glad to help her. A very, very nice person. And you know what? She actually ended up getting the job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up on the screen here the cover letter that I created for her. Now, I took out her name and I took out the particulars about the position. But as you can see, and I'm putting it up on the screen here for you, as you can see, what I have here is a very concise, short cover letter that gets to the point and sells her experience. And really gets, as we found out, as she found out, it got her foot in the door. And as I said, it really got her hired. So let's start out with the beginning here. Just, dear sir, dear madam, if you got the person's name, yeah, you could put it in. Or maybe you just put in, dear hiring manager. I'm ready to apply for the opening that Dairy Mart has for a regional sales manager. And Dairy Mart is just a name I'm just putting out there right now. But I'm ready to apply for the opening that Dairy Mart has for a regional, and I'll say regional sales manager because she was actually a sales manager. She says here, I offer 30 years of success as a whatever their job title is. If they're looking for a regional sales manager, you're going to fill that in. I offer 30 years of success as a regional sales manager in the food industry, which makes me an ideal candidate for this position. That is very short and it's concise, and you're really coming to the point. And I can tell you this, as somebody, as I said, I've hired hundreds of people, I've interviewed maybe 10, 20 times that many. I can tell you, I certainly appreciated when I saw a cover letter that came over. And I saw that and I'm like, yeah, you know what? This is just getting to the point. And it tells me that person gets to the point. So, third sentence, the career highlights section of my resume summarizes significant accomplishments that are also in alignment with your opening. Now, I've got the number 3 there because what I'm going to say is this. When it says my resume summarizes significant accomplishments, I'm going to list 3. I had her list 3 of her biggest accomplishments. So what she did is she said, summarizes significant accomplishments, comma, and then she listed, I know she won some awards, so she listed that she was the National award winner in the dairy industry. She also listed that she had not only had made this huge accomplishment, but she also listed some of the other things that she did. So she put in 3. You could put in 3, maybe 4 if you want. I wouldn't put in too many unless they were all so powerful and such great accomplishments that you really want to make sure you highlight that. Because after all, this is a sales tool, and I want you to keep that in mind. So she says that are also in alignment with your opening. In the next sentence, I look forward to the opportunity to speak with you about my skills and experience if you feel I'm a strong candidate for this position. Now, I really like this particular sentence because you're saying if you feel I'm a strong candidate, you're letting that person, that hiring manager, know. I believe I have the qualifications that you need, but you're looking at this and you're going to be the decision maker. Many times when I've looked at someone's resume or looked at their cover letter rather, sometimes they just come across so strong and I'm thinking, you know what, they're not going to fit in with my company. They're not going to fit in with the people that work here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going ahead and I'm going to pass on them. But she wrote this out, or I wrote it for her. She was saying, if you think I'm qualified for this position, so you're putting the ball in their court, but you've already let them know that you're a great candidate. Last sentence, thank you in advance for considering me for this position. Very, 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 very short and sweet and to the point. And as I mentioned, hiring managers appreciate this. I know, and if you've been looking for a job for a long time, you submit your resume and you're one of usually dozens or hundreds or maybe even more than that people who are looking for a position. Now, a lot of times that resume has to get through that ATS, the tracking system. So you want to make sure that you do include in this in this cover letter, you want to make sure that you include the keywords that is so important in the cover letter. So there you have it. It's my short and sweet, as I say, concise, to the point, effective, powerful cover letter. It's basically a cover letter that hiring managers can't resist. And I can tell you this, they'll be grateful when they get this cover letter from you. So that's all I got for you today, my friends. If you have any questions, any comments, go ahead, send me it in the comments section here. You can always email me if you feel you want to do that, if that's better for you. But as I always say, have a great day, everybody.